everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a beautiful filet mignon with mashed potatoes and fresh broccoli. So come with me. So we're going to add a little bit of about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to turn the stove up so we get a good sear. This just takes a second to heat up. Okay, now we're going to add the filet. Oh, look at that. And I have some fresh garlic that I sliced. This goes in there to give a nice flavor. And I have some beautiful thyme that I got from my garden, and it's fresh and I washed it. So here we go. Look at that. Cut up some scallions. And I got a piece of onion. So we're going to sear this. And then we're going to put it in the oven for about 8 minutes. So I'm going to put a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Now you have to adjust the salt and pepper to your liking because for everyone it's different. So there we go. And this takes a few minutes, so. It smells so good. Check it out. Few more minutes. You have to get a good sear. The thyme just smells absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah, we have a beautiful sear going on. So I'm going to flip it over and look at that. I'm going to add some butter. And let it cook for a few more minutes. Oh. What?
You got company.
You have something to say? You're saying yummy for my tummy, right? Well, I think Bella's looking forward to some filet. You would like some filet, wouldn't you, baby?
Her nose likes it.
It smells so good. And once I get a sear on this on the bottom, what I'm gonna do is, oh, look at that. Who doesn't like a filet with butter? Okay. Then we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 for about 8 minutes, and then it'll be about medium well. Let's check. Oh my goodness, yes. Oh, the butter and the garlic and the thyme just smells beautiful. I'm trying not to turn it so the sear continues. One more minute, we're almost there. We have our mashed potatoes all set, and we made some broccoli. I blanched it for 5 minutes, and then I put it under the broiler with some Parmesan cheese. So we're all set to go. Oh yeah. Look at that. Now that we have a nice sear, I'm just going to put it in the oven. For 8 minutes. We'll be back as soon as it's ready. Okay, I think the filet is ready, so let's get it. Check it out. Okay, so we're just going to put this right on here. Get some of the nice Okay, we're good to go. So we're going to add a few pieces of beautiful broccoli. And some mashed potatoes. See, here they are. Now, of course, we're going to have to garnish this. So I have beautiful tomato that I'm just going to cut up. Put that right there. And piece of celery. And there you have it, folks. Beautiful filet mignon dinner. Thank you.